If you want to shine like a sun, first burn like a sun. Look at the sky. We are not alone. The whole universe is friendly to us and conspires only to give the best to those who dream and work. You have to dream before your dreams can come true. Let us sacrifice our today so that our children can have a better tomorrow. Man needs his difficulties because they are necessary to enjoy success. We should not give up and we should not allow the problem to defeat us. If four things are followed, having a great aim, acquiring knowledge, hard work, and perseverance, then anything can be achieved. Never stop fighting until you arrive at your destined place, that is, the unique you. Have an aim in life, continuously acquire knowledge, work hard, and have perseverance to realize the great life. Teaching is a very noble profession that shapes the character, caliber, and future of an individual. If the people remember me as a good teacher, that will be the biggest honor for me. To succeed in your mission, you must have single-minded devotion to your goal. The purpose of education is to make good human beings with skill and expertise. Enlightened human beings can be created by teachers. Where there is righteousness in the heart, there is beauty in the character. When there is beauty in the character, there is harmony in the home. When there is harmony in the home, there is order in the nation. When there is order in the nation, there is peace in the world. If a country is to be corruption-free and become a nation of beautiful minds, I strongly feel there are three key societal members who can make a difference. They are the father, the mother and the teacher. Science is a beautiful gift to humanity, we should not distort it. God, our Creator, has stored within our minds and personalities great potential strength and ability. Prayer helps us tap and develop these powers. To become unique, the challenge is to fight the hardest battle which anyone can imagine until you reach your destination. The youth need to be enabled to become job generators from job seekers.